Guys, Germany is quietly opening one of the easiest legal immigration pathways in Europe for foreigners in 2026. You can move through something called Ausbildung. Germany literally pays many foreigners while they learn skills. You work, study, earn monthly income. And after that, you can convert into long-term residency. Don't sleep on this. Especially if you are from Africa, Asia, or any country where jobs are limited right now. Germany has a massive labor shortage. According to labor reports, Germany needs hundreds of thousands of skilled workers every single year. Especially in healthcare, construction, logistics, hospitality, and technical trades. That is why Ausbildung has become one of the hottest immigration pathways right now. Now listen carefully, guys. Ausbildung is not just school. It is more like half work, half study. You train in a company while attending vocational classes. And during this period, many employers pay you monthly. Some programs last 2 to 3.5 years. And after completion, you can qualify for full-time jobs, residence permits, higher salaries, permanent residency pathways, priority sectors and salaries. 1. Healthcare and elderly care. Germany is desperately looking for caregivers and healthcare assistants. This sector is exploding. Ausbildung salary during training: €1,100 to €1,400 monthly. After qualification, many workers earn €2,800 to €4,000 monthly. And guys, healthcare workers are among the fastest to secure residency. 2. Hospitality and hotel jobs. Restaurants and hotels across Germany are struggling to find workers. Especially after labor shortages increased in tourism sectors. Training salaries: €900 to €1,300 monthly. After completion, €2,200 to €3,200 monthly. And many employers even help with accommodation. 3. Logistics and warehouse operations. Germany's logistics sector is booming because of online shopping and exports. Training income: €1,000 to €1,250 monthly. Qualified workers can earn €2,500 to €3,500 monthly. And guys, some positions do not require advanced education backgrounds. 4. Construction and skilled trades. Germany needs workers badly in construction. Especially electricians, plumbers, welders, construction technicians. Training salaries: €950 to €1,400 monthly. Qualified salaries: €3,000 to €5,000 monthly depending on experience. This sector is gold for practical people. If you like hands-on work, Germany wants you. 5. IT and technical support. Germany also needs IT support workers and technical trainees. Training salary: €1,100 to €1,500 monthly. After qualification, €3,500 to €6,000 monthly. And yes, some employers care more about skills than degrees. Now let's talk about requirements. The requirements are simpler than many study visas. Here's what you usually need. 1. Valid international passport. Your passport must be valid, preferably with several years remaining. 2. Basic German language. This is the biggest secret many people ignore. You usually need German language level A2 or B1. Not fluency. Just conversational German. And guys, learning German can massively increase your chances. 3. Secondary school certificate. In many Ausbildung programs, you do not need a university degree. Usually secondary school education is enough. That is why this pathway is exploding globally. 4. Motivation letter and CV. Your application must look professional. Germany loves organized applications. Your CV should be simple and clean. No unnecessary designs. 5. Ability to support initial costs. Even though Ausbildung pays you, you still need money for visa processing, flight, initial accommodation, health insurance. But compared to full university abroad programs, this pathway is far cheaper. How to apply? Search for Ausbildung openings. Now this is critical, guys. Use official portals. Ausbildung.de. Make it in Germany. Bundesagentur für Arbeit. These platforms regularly post opportunities for foreigners. Guys, if you are serious about moving abroad in 2026, this pathway deserves your attention. Now I want you to comment below your country and the sector you want to enter in Germany. Let's talk in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe right now. Because on this channel, we talk strategic immigration, real opportunities, real pathways, and real ways to build your future abroad. See you in the next one, guys.